Hey, what's up guys? This video is gonna be a little bit different than some of our other videos. This one is gonna be more of an unboxing. It's not gonna be super fishing focused, but the central idea is I got this paddleboard to fish. So there's going to be fishing, I'm going to catch fish. I'm not gonna finish filming this video until I catch fish on this paddleboard, so that is coming. The company name's BOTE. This is their Breeze model. It's 11 foot, 6 inches. It's the Aero Classic Mangrove 24. Apparently you can kind of mod these things out and they sell all kinds of accessories. The only accessory I got was the fishing pole holder. So yeah, let's get this thing going. This thing is huge. I didn't think the pump would be this big. Open clamp, kind of like a bike skewer. Pinch, line up, clamp. Got your measurements there. I'll have to mess with that when I'm on the board. You always want to cinch this kind of stuff on your hip bones. It's not really doing it for me. I have a really thin waist, not that heavy. Wish the waist was could get a little tighter. Just gonna take the tube, screw it on this side. I think you can see that single track across right there. So you gotta line the grooves up like that and twist, and you can feel it kind of cinch. Ooh, that took some doing. This pump has a, get it in the green range basically. Basically you get it to where it looks like it's full and you're about halfway done. I'm not gonna lie, it takes some doing. Take your time. Minimum to max range, 10 to 15 PSI. You can see that this thing really is truly designed to kind of accessorize, and they definitely had fishing in mind. They send you with a little repair kit. I'll look at how to use that later. That's a cool bonus. And you've got your rack receivers. We've got our fin, we've got a koozie, we've got the owner's manual, some more swag, just all kinds of stickers. Not that we all need more stickers and koozies, but come on, it's a nice touch. But without any screws or anything, the thing goes in there pretty tight. All right, just guessing here, but so I didn't realize this. I had this completely open, and what that does is it takes out putting air in when you lift, and it only puts air in when you push down. Again, there's all kinds of accessories you can add to this thing. Probably the first one that I would get, now that I have the tackle rack, is the automatic air pump. It can hook up to your car battery, it can hook up to a cigarette lighter. I don't know if it's got USB or not, because you can just roll this out, hook that up, turn it on, and get the rest of your fishing gear together. Let's get this thing out on the water. All right, here we are, about to do the field test. I've got the paddle strapped in, I've got a selfie stick strapped in, I've got my pole on here, I've got some tackle in my pocket, and Now I just got to put the fin on and we are launching. Not bad. Probably 2 years now I've wanted a paddleboard, so I'm very stoked. Oh yeah, I can do this. I take it I am out of the wind. There's no wake right here. Once I build up the stability muscles, I can work with this. This is something I haven't had access to. This video's not over. I promised y'all, I'm gonna catch a fish. Dude. Let's go, man. First fish on the paddleboard. First gar ever.
Yeah, baby. Dude, on the nylon? Get you a picture. My phone will. It's freaking good.
All right, last but not least, this thing's already deflated. I'm not gonna air it back up for the sake of the video. Sorry guys. This has kind of a two different levels of letting air out. If you just barely press it, that's what they want you to do for like 10 to 15 seconds. And then after that, I believe you can kind of ease into fully pressing it and that will deflate. Then also, when it's down like that, you can screw it. So compress and screw, and then that's when you wanna roll it up. And this will still be open to get out the rest of the air as you're rolling it up. Screw that in. Simple as that. One of those things, at least for me, does not have to go in there perfect. Some people it might bother you, but that's good enough for me. So I've had this thing a couple weeks now. I've taken it out on all different types of terrain, really shallow water. I've gone over a lot of brush. I've gone over thorn bushes with it. I've gone over dead trees. I've really given this thing the full, what I see as the full-on field test. I'm not gonna be any harder on it than I have been on it in the last 2 weeks. So far it's passed the test for me. I'm not gonna do a lot of these reviews. This might be the only review I ever do. Right now we're a young channel. I think I can get away with it. This is not the type of content I wanna be making, but I just felt like doing it. I was excited about getting this paddleboard. So with this one, it seemed like a fun idea, but I think we're gonna stick to fishing content, not really product review stuff, but we'll see.